Good morning, honorable present here. The 19th CS 402 database management system, second year, fourth semester, unit number 5, physical data storage and MongoDB. Topic number 3, static and dynamic hashing. So going to next one. So what is static hashing? The static hashing function H maps is search key value for fixed setup of B of bucket of address. The database grow on string with time. If the initial number of buckets is small, the file will grow. The performance will degrade due to such too much of overflow. For example, if the space is allocated and is growth, the significant amount of space will be wasted initially, but bucket will be underfull. If the database is string, the again space will be wasted. One solution, the periodically reorganization of the file with the new hash function is expensive one and dispute and normal operations. And better solution allow the number of bucket to be modified and dynamically. So dynamic hashing good for a database that grows and string in size and allow the hash function to be modified dramatically, so dynamically. Extendable hashing is one from dynamic hashing. Hash function generate value of over large range, typically b-bit integer with b equal 32. At any time, use only a prefix of the hash function to index it into the table of bucket and addresses. And let the length of the prefix be I bit 0 less than equal of I less than of 32. The bucket address table 2 power I initially I equal to 0. Value of I grow on string as the size of the database grow on string. The multiple entries in the bucket address table may point to the bucket Y. So the actual number of bucket I is less than of 2 power I. The number of bucket also change and dynamically due to the localizing of splitting of the bucket into the database server. So this is a external hash function structure. High is prefix. This is a table. High is prefix. I started here 001, 01, 10, 11. So ith one, bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3. And is the structure I2 equal I3 equal to I. Where I1 in I minus 1, the next slide we can show that one. This is a external action bucket. Each bucket is J stored as a value Ij. All the entries that point to the same bucket have a same value on first Ij bit. They locate the bucket containing such key K minus J. Compute H K J equal of X and compute H of Kj equal X. Use the first high order bit of the X displacement into the bucket address of table and following pointers to appropriate buckets. To insert a record with a search key value of kj, the follow same procedure as lookup. Locate bucket j of j. If the room is bucket j, insert into the record and the bucket. Each bucket must be split and insert in the re-attempt of next slide. And if overflow, they use insert of same classes. This is a insertion external hash structure. If the I less than or greater than of ij, more than one pointed to the bucket of j, allocate new bucket z and set I equal iz equal to ij plus I. Update the second half of the bucket, address the table entry. Originally pointer of to j to point to z. They remove each record in the bucket j and reinsert j or z. Recompute the new bucket of the kj, insert the record of the bucket, further splitting in the record if the bucket is still full. If I equal to ij, only one pointer to bucket j. If I reach some limit b, to many split happen. Insert and create an overflow of bucket. Else the increment I and double of the size of the bucket address table. And replace each entry in the table by two entries that point to the same bucket. The recompute new bucket address table entry for kj. Now I less than of ij. Use the first case of above. Delete the key value, locate it is bucket and remove. And bucket itself can be removed if it will become empty. The appropriate bucket is address of the table. Focalizing of bucket can be done and focalize only the buddy's bucket have same value ij and same I j1 ij minus 1 and prefix if the present. The decreasing bucket table size is also possible. At the time of decreasing bucket, address table size is expensive operation should be done if only a number of bucket becomes much smaller. So this is one of the example, department name and hash department of name, biology and computer science, analytical engineering, finance and history and music physics. This is a example, hash prefix 0, the bucket address table and have 0 is available. You can enter in the value. Hash 1, bucket address value. I have choose WU record. You can use updated one by one in the hash function. And thank you.